What? All right, check out this old school Kenmore made by GE. Got the 3-door. This was one of the fancy ones back in the day. Oh yeah, hey, it's LA Appliance Guy. Let's plug it in real quick. Oh, I don't know if you could hear that, but I just heard a click. You know what that means, relay. Man, this is one of the fancy ones. Warm temp. Fancy dancy back in the day. I gotta look up the date. Yep, I just heard it. Alrighty. I just heard the click. I'm gonna get this back off real quick. Yep. Fan motor. Go. 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 No, ain't gonna do it. Get this cover. Come on. Yeah. It's just a little peanut relay. All right. Alrighty. Not gonna get shot today. Come on. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Oh yeah, she rattling. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Yeah, we got a little bit of lint down there. Oh. Oh yeah. I have to blow that out for sure. Oh, yeah. A little more better. Yeah. All right, there it is. Orange and white. Orange. Yeah. Yeah, she gone. All right, so you can go with one of these little peanut relays, but on these older boxes like this, I do like to use the 3-in-1s because they have a start capacitor built into them, and it's super easy. I'll show you how to do it. These old GE made Kenmores were tanks. This thing has to be over 20 years old. And that looks like the original relay, but I'm not sure. But these 3-in-1s have 2 black wires that are already stripped. That's our power. There is no polarity, so you put one power to one side, one power to the other one. On these GEs, the orange and the black are the ones that we're going to use. And then in a minute, I'll show you there's 3 wires left, a red, white, and black. Black is always the common. It's by itself. I always remember it to be red, right, run. And I'll show you the diagram. It's nothing to it. These units are so simple. Why can't we go back to doing stuff like this? Oh yeah, and the little run capacitor has 2 terminals in between the red and the white. Easy peasy. Just like that. Pow. Let's see what she says. Meow. Oh. Oh yeah. That sounded good. Go, fan, go! Oh yeah, it's already pumping. Alrighty, let's stretch this baby over. There we go. And then we'll secure this with some zippers. Alrighty, we are secured. We'll put the backpack on. Would you look at that? The fan started running. What the? Okay. Shoot. We'll put the thermometer in the little door. So most people will probably say, why didn't you just throw a relay and overload? We used to call these peanut relays. Why didn't you just do that? These older boxes, I think, run better with a 3-in-1. Gives it an extra kick, you know. This thing is old. It has to be 20. I don't know how old it is. I can't really read the serial number. But so far, so good, man. Yeah, these little peanut relays are cheap, but so are the 3-in-1s. So on an older box, I'd take my chance with a 3-in-1 than these little cheap peanuts. But yeah, if you pull one off of there and it rattles like that, it's bad, no doubt. So yeah, pretty much like we always do with the 3-in-1s. 2 powers go into the lines there, and then your black on top, red, right, run, and then white is your start on the left. So people get confused sometimes because they are inverted on certain units, but all you do is look at it like this: black on the bottom, red on the left, white on the right. Easy peasy. But yeah, I would trust this unit with a 3-in-1 on it for many more years. This thing has to be 20 plus years old. Crazy. Let's check on our fridge. Ooh, about 55. It's coming on down. All right. Oh yeah, and another symptom of when those fan motors go out, those condenser fan motors on the back, this middle section here where the door seals to the refrigerator will get really hot. They're supposed to be warm. It's to keep the condensation down between the 2 temperatures. But if it's very hot to the touch where you don't want to put your hand on it for more than a few seconds, that fan motor has failed, or it's slowed down like this one and causing an overheat. So you need to fix that before the compressor, it has a problem. That's what a lot of people say, is it's warming up, and also that piece in the middle, the separation there, the partition, hot. That's what happens. Fun fact with LA. Duh. Look at that, it's already cold. The water valve called for water. That's what that means when that back flows. All right, let's change this fan real quick. The old one's mounted with Torx. Not that size. Two and three. There we go. Stiff. Take our blade off. Gotta make sure our blade is clean. That helps the sinuses. New motor. New motor comes with screws. These screw holes are not threaded yet, so I like to take and thread them. Makes life easier trying to mount it. So yeah, the original one was mounted with the Torx screws, but I like to use these self-tapping quarters that come in the kit, and I like to go ahead and pre-thread these holes. It makes it so much easier when you're trying to get everything mounted up on the refrigerator. I probably should have just used my drill, but hey, hand tools work too. All right, it's blade time. You just get this blade and it's got a nut, tighten it down. It ain't gotta be Hulk tight, it's just gotta be on there. But don't bend the blade. That's not good. We do not want to bend the blade. My dad and everybody and my grandfather used to be sticklers about cleaning these blades off so they move enough air. But yeah, I knocked all the dust off and blew it off, so it's fine. Now you just slap it in there and bolt it up, nothing to it. There we go. Power. We don't need that much wire. Strip and strip and cut and cut. I'm gonna get some more wire here. Get a little bit more juice there, and don't cut yourself. There we go. One. Oranges together. One black, and the kit even comes with nuts, my favorite. But hey, it works. Now where'd my black go? There it is. Black. Black. Come on. All righty. Tape. Good old high heat electrical tape. As someone said in the comments. Pow pow. Good to go. All right, let's see what she does. Meow. Oh. Nice. No, compressor come on nice and smooth. Now the fan motor's running fast. Look at it blowing all that lint around. And we'll button it up. Blow out that front condenser because it is clogged, which could have led to fan failures, relay failures, compressor overheating. No biggie. So that was a quick relay and condenser fan motor change on this old Kenmore made by GE. These things are heavy and tanks. Look at how thick the doors are. The doors weigh more than some of these like cheap Medea things that come in. One of those doors is heavy as that thing. But yeah, love these old things. Put a new relay on, new condenser fan motor, and they're back in business. Probably for many, many more years. I'm about to put a compressor in an LG that's less, I think 5 years old. So fun, fun, fun. And we made it to the end of the video, and you know what that means, it's keyword time. Look at this baby. It's so cool. Keyword today is how old is this thing? I don't know. Does anybody know? It's gotta be 25, 30, maybe not 30, but 20 to 25, I would imagine. If you know, leave it in the comments. It's got to be 20, 25 years old. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, the thumbs up. We're trying to make 5,000 before the end of 2026, and we're almost halfway there. Later, y'all. Have a good one. Thank y'all for watching. You guys are awesome. This was just a quick old school fridge fix. Gotta love it.